All of the wisdom of the past tells us the better we know ourselves, the less we fear. When we begin to understand the truth of who we are, the reasons that we hate begin to vanish. The moment I started speaking about spirituality as a scientist, I lost my credibility as a scientist. The fundamental rule of nature is cooperation. The more violent competition we see in the world, that tells us how far we have strayed from the truest laws of nature's harmony. As a geologist, what I could see is that we are living this rare convergence of three massive cycles of change that would be enough to turn the world upside down. Climate, economy, human conflict. We can't stop the cycles, but we definitely have the ability to determine how we respond.
It's up to us. And again, the individual change can actually change that future outcome.
We have a potential within us. And as we embrace that potential, we begin to think of ourselves very differently and see the world very differently. And to me, this is where the end of hate begins.